Robots. They're no longer a thing of dreams or some science fiction future. They're here, and they're driving a manufacturing revival that's creating jobs and making American factories stronger. Manufacturing today looks very different than it did 50, 20, or even 5 years ago. Shop floors are being transformed in what's being called the Fourth Industrial Revolution. In 2018, about 38,000 industrial robots were installed in U.S. manufacturing facilities, up 15% from the previous year, marking 10 straight years of growth in robotic usage. Robots offer precision, speed, and repeatability. They make production faster, more flexible, and more efficient. They can reduce waste and costs, and now they're more widely available to small manufacturers. Rapid research and development have given rise to a new generation of industrial robots. They're more easily programmable. They have intuitive user interfaces, and they're equipped with sensors that allow them to better navigate the shop floor. Even with small production volumes and high product mixes, these collaborative robots are quickly programmed for different tasks. They safely work side by side with human co-workers and assist with monotonous, unpleasant, or dangerous tasks, which further improves the manufacturing workplace experience. In manufacturing, the competition is global and it's fierce. To win, you need to constantly optimize your processes and always remain ready to adopt new growth-accelerating technologies. Robotics is no longer a thing of the future. It's here today, and it can help you grow your business. How do you get started? Contact your local Manufacturing Extension Partnership, or MEP Center. They can help you implement new technology and sharpen your competitive edge.